So this video is to help you get question number 12 on that section 1.2 correct. And it's you might know what's going on. MyOpen Math is kind of picky on how they want it inputted to get it correctly, totally correct. So here's what I how I do this. I see that I'm doing this piecewise defined function, and I see that the breaking points are at -2, x equals -2, and x equals 1. So what I'm going to do here on my screen, and of course you can't do this on MOP and Math, but what I'm going to do right here is kind of put those dotted vertical lines in to show those are the places where I change functions. They aren't they aren't part of the well, I guess it's part of the solution, but it's not something that MOP and Math is looking for. And I wouldn't be looking for it on paper, though it helps to have it on paper if you do it this way. So then you've got these tools down here. Here, let me come back with a pointer. And what I'm seeing is I'm seeing a horizontal line of y equals -3 when x is less than or equal to -2. So I'm going to click on that ray tool because it goes forever when x is less than -2. We're going to want to make a ray, and we're going to remember we're looking at the y value here. So I'm going to come down in -3 on the y, and I know I'm breaking the function at -2, x equals -2. So I'm going to click right here. It's -3, isn't it? I'm going to click right here, and you see how it draws the arrow or draws the line, and that's that line. That's the horizontal line, y equals -3, and it stops at -2. Then they want me to do this linear function piece. Well, I'm seeing 1x, y equals mx plus b in a slope-intercept form. It has a slope of 1 and a y-intercept of -1. So I'm going to come down and because this is a segment, because it changes functions at 1, I'm going to use that segment tool. I'm going to click on where that one ended, and then I'm going to think about the slope. Up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, until I hit x equals 1. And that do that segment tool. Now, I mean, you would think it's connected there. I should put another point right here. MAP and Math won't like that. It's kind of connected there, and it assumes you know that. Now, the last piece is another horizontal line, y equals -3, just on the other side. So I'm going to do another ray tool. I'm going to come down to -3, click there, and then I'm going to go to the right because that's what that looks like. Now, to get the correct answer, see how this is just greater than 1 when x is greater than 1? We want this to be an open circle. It doesn't include the value there. So I'm going to click an open circle there. But it is closed. You see it's closed. It's got it filled in. It's equal to at 1. So I'm going to click on the close tool, filled in tool, and put that dot there. I'm not going to put anything there because my math doesn't like that. So let me let me clear off all my drawings, and let's see if I got it right. And the green check means I did it correctly. Okay, so that's graphing a piecewise defined function, and by hand. If you get this wrong, go ahead and do it on paper and send me a picture of it, and I'll adjust the points. Okay, so hopefully this is a short enough video and helps you get this problem right.